Okay, hello. This is a small tutorial. Somebody asked, how do I make multiple circles and they should be 1 centimeter apart in Clip Studio, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, I click on a new project, or you use your current project, which works as well. And since we want centimeter, let me choose centimeter as a unit up here. The resolution is also very important. We have to factor that one in as well, the DPI, because that is also saying how many pixels is 1 centimeter, for example. Okay, let's do this quick. I create a new layer and I choose another color here so you can see the grid better. You don't have to do that, obviously. Let me make it a little bit brighter and maybe a little bit more yellow. Okay, this is good enough. Now up here we go to View, and now we can enable the grid. Now this grid might not be correct, so let me go View, Grid Ruler Settings. It is actually 1 centimeter already in by default. Number of divisions, I pick 2. So basically it's easier because we want to create a circle from the center. And now I wrote a little calculation thingy that I will put in the description basically, so you can access as well. I hope that works. I think there was Google calculations or something like that. And let's say we have 350 dpi, so this is the dpi of our project in 1 centimeter. And it tells you basically how many pixels your circle has to be. 138. Okay, both numbers need to be equal or else you have a weird ellipse. Make sure snapping is enabled, enable snapping, and you have checked snap to grid, right? So if I click here, it's, oh wait, we can see because I need to use another color as well. So it will automatically snap. If you don't snap and you don't see this option here, obviously, click on the little wrench and under correction, you find enable snapping. You can always check this empty button here, basically, click on it, and then you can make basically a quick access over here. And now each of these circles is around about 1 centimeter apart. You cannot do it perfectly because there's, if you look at the maths of it, okay, this number might work, but no, it doesn't. We have 137.80 pixels, so, but there's no 0.80 pixels for, at least not for Clip Studio, right? So I cannot put anything like point in here. It doesn't work if I press any of these. If you want it more accurate, you can of course change your project to 1000 dpi. But remember that in Clip Studio Paint, the limit for here is, I believe, 2000. Yes, it's 2000, so you cannot go over 2000. It's basically hard-coded. So keep that in mind. Just in case you want to make your circles bigger than just, let's say, bigger than 1 centimeter, but they should still be 1 centimeter apart. It works only if you have round numbers. If you use comma numbers for your circle diameter, I guess the maths get a little bit out of hand because then it will be difficult for you to place it basically in Clip Studio Paint. That's the main problem. Clip Studio might not be the perfect program for it. It works to some degree, as you can see here. Let's say I change it and then to 1969. Ayo. 1969 by 1969. Now it won't work because we are still on 350 dpi. So let me change the canvas properties. Edit, canvas properties. We are still on centimeters, but now we want the resolution to be 1000 dpi. It's getting huge. This file, this is a lot of pixels. And now if we again click here, basically, as you can see, it matches perfectly. And now you have to eyeball it. Yeah, oh, wow, I actually eyeballed the correct one. The correct distance. So yeah, this is basically another way how you make more accurate circles in this case. But yeah, that's how I would do it in this case in Clip Studio Paint. That's basically it. Yeah, I haven't posted something in a while, I know. Yeah, I'm busy with gaming, 3D stuff, but I don't think that belongs on this channel, so I might leave it as it is. Bye bye, take care everyone, goodbye.